Welcome to SlideBazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a video series focused on helping you become better at PowerPoint. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can create an org chart in PowerPoint. Before we start, check out SlideBazaar's free PowerPoint add-in that lets you create stunning presentations in no time. Get PowerPoint templates, themes, and so much more, all within PowerPoint itself. Alright, let's begin. The easiest way to create an org chart in PowerPoint is by converting text to SmartArt. The first thing you should do is type down the content of your org chart. Ensure that the hierarchy of each element is clearly defined by using indentation, either through bullet points or by pressing the Tab key. Once done, select the text, right-click and convert to SmartArt. Choose the organization chart from the list and you're good to go. You can then modify the SmartArt to make it look better. Another way to create org charts in PowerPoint is by creating them from scratch. To do this, first let's create a layout. Go to View and go to the Slide Master View. Now click on Insert Layout. On the new layout, insert a circular shape. Click on Insert Placeholder and place it over the circle. Now select both the placeholder and the circle and go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes and click on Intersect. You now have a placeholder for the images in your org chart. Press Ctrl and Shift while dragging the placeholder. Ctrl creates a duplicate and Shift helps you drag the object in a straight line. Now arrange the placeholders on your slide. Go to View and enable the gridlines and guides if you want a visual reference while arranging the placeholders. You can also select multiple placeholders, go to Shape Format and use the Align option to align them perfectly on your slide. Finally, add design elements as you need, including text below the placeholders, and connect the elements using lines or elbow lines. And you should have your org chart ready. But if all of this feels like a lot of work, and if you want an even simpler solution, check out the org chart templates available on SlideBazaar.com. Simply visit our website, type in org chart, download the template, customize it and make it your own. It just takes a few minutes. The link is in the description. Well, that's all for now. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to check out SlideBazaar's free PowerPoint add-in in the description below.